Good morning, dear students. Today again we are here, on this Sunday. If you remember, last time we had done the chapter 2, that is, hello, my name is Raman. So in this chapter we learn how to introduce ourselves, correct? Over the period of this last week, the teachers were calling you and they were finding out about what exactly you need to talk when you are introducing yourself. Correct? So you saw there was an exercise which we had done on page number 16 and 17. Correct? How the persons were greeting. Correct? And after that, we did the exercise of Sanvi and Adi, how they were introducing themselves, what were their likes and dislikes. Correct? So we saw various pictures. Then we also saw the video where Sanvi and Adi was introducing themselves, correct, to their classmates as well. Now today we are going to, on page number 19, that, let us see how we have to greet each other and then how we have to speak, correct. So now we'll have a small act played by Alpesh sir and me. So try to listen to us how we introduce, correct. Come. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine.
Okay. My name is Arun. I am 7 years old. I study in class first.
Hello Arun. My name is Alpesh. I am 7 years old. I study in class first. I like mangoes. Do you like them?
Yes, I like mangoes. Okay. And if I say I don't like, so then I will say no, I don't like mangoes. Now my dear students, you heard both of us, correct? The way we were introducing ourselves. Alpesh sir asked me a question, correct? I like mangoes, correct? Then he said, do you like them? What was my reply? Yes, I like them. And if I say no, I don't like them. Now, in similar way, you will have to practice this, correct? So you can take your parents, you can take your brothers, you can take your sisters or your friends, correct? So in this format, you will have to introduce. We had learned in first chapter, correct? So Alpesh sir, Abid sir and they had taught you, how to greet, correct? When we meet and we greet. So now it is morning, so that's why I wish Alpesh sir, hello, good morning, and he replied me, good morning. Then I replied him, how are you?
I replied, I am fine.
Correct? So in this way, you will have to begin your conversation. So now, when you stand, or when you come to the school or when you go somewhere else, now how you will introduce yourself. So Alpesh sir, is going to play the part of the student, and then I will also play that how we introduce. Whenever you introduce, so whenever you introduce, you come and hold your hands in front of the class, correct? Or you can stand in this position also, correct? So that means you will not get nervous. So now let us see how Alpesh sir will introduce. Here we had taken we said our ages were of 7 years, but that is the what we wanted to talk for the students, correct? But now Alpesh sir will introduce himself to us. Alpesh sir, stand.
So dear students, first of all, when we start for the introduction of ourselves, so we need to, first of all, we need to greet the others who are in front of us. So first of all, let's start the introduction. I am saying, hello everybody, good morning. My name is Alpesh. I am 13 years old. Dear students, here you can speak as per your age, So you can speak your name also, about yourself, your likes and dislikes. So once again, I am starting my introductions. Please try to listen to me carefully. Hello everybody, my name is Alpesh. I am 30 years old. I live in Vasar. I like to play games. I like to watch television. And I like to eat mangoes, apples and many more things. Students, so like this way you can introduce yourself to others. Thank you.
So My dear students, did you see how Alpesh sir has introduced to us? Okay, with confidence also you have to introduce. And as per our rules and regulation, whenever we introduce ourselves, we have to smile and introduce. Correct? So with this, okay, you can practice. Open your page number 19 of your textbook. You can fill those things, okay, the blanks which are there in this. Correct? You can write your name, how old you are. Then you can write about your friend or your brothers or sisters. And then you ask these questions. Ask these questions and say it with confidence. So now Alpesh sir, please turn the page 20, and on that page 20 we have a song. Correct? In this song we are going to, okay, learn the exact pronunciation. Correct? So what is this song? Okay, it is the poem. I have a little cat, I call it Molly. It is very fat. I have a little hen, I call it Penny. It is black. We roll in the grass and we run in the garden. We are best friends. Correct, my dear students? So, when the teachers will call you, you will have to sing this poem for the teachers. Correct? So, the teachers will ask you to say the poem with confidence. Okay? So, learn the poem nicely and be happy with your English. So, now Alpesh sir will play the track for us.
Listen to this song and sing along.
I have a little cat, I call it Molly. It is very fat.
I have a little hen, I call it Penny. It is black.
We roll in the grass
And we run in the garden.
We are best friends.
So did you see this? What was the children were saying? Correct? So they were saying, I have a little cat, I call it Molly. So whenever you have a cat or any pet animals, okay, you give them name. So here the girl has given the name to its cat. So what is the name of the cat? Molly. Then it is very fat. He has, or the girl has described that cat. So it is fat like me. Now I am also fat. I have a little hen. I call it Penny. So what is the hen name? Penny. And how? What is the color of that hen? It is black. We roll in the grass and we run in the garden. We are best friends. So roll in the grass means you roll in the grass. Correct? So that is the poem. So once again I will ask Alpesh sir to play the track so we can understand the pronunciation.
Listen to this song and sing along.
I have a little cat, I call it Molly. It is very fat.
I have a little hen, I call it Penny. It is black.
We roll in the grass
And we run in the garden.
We are best friends.
So I hope you will by heart this poem and you will say it to your teachers whenever the teacher is going to call you. So now let us move towards the activity that is read to repeat. Now here we are going to learn the proper pronunciation. Correct? Listen to the words and repeat them. Pay attention to the beginning sounds of these words. So you have to pay the sound with the beginning of the letter. So that is cat, car, cup, cough. अगर आप यहाँ पे देखोगे, यहाँ पे we have got it 4 vowels, correct? Here we have got A, here we have got U, and here we have got O, here we have got I. But I don't think so. Here we have the E vowel, correct? So you can see A, I, O, U, correct? So there are 5 vowels that we know it, but here we are going to learn the exact pronunciation. So I ask Alpesh sir to play the video first, okay? And once you play the video, you see the person who is pronouncing these words, okay? Who is telling this? You can see the lip movement of that person and try to pronounce these words exactly. So Alpesh sir, please play the video.
Listen to the words and repeat them. Pay attention to the beginning sounds of these words. Cat, car,
Cup, hat, hand, hip, him, dam, dip, dig, dog, man, map, mill, mug, ran, rat, rip, rug.
Now, my dear students, you have seen that how this person is speaking those words. So now you will look at this part of this person's face, correct? The way he pronounced these words. So once again we will play this video.
Listen to the words and repeat them. Pay attention to the beginning sounds of these words.
Cat,
Cat,
car,
car,
cup,
cup,
cop,
cop,
hat,
hat,
hand,
ham,
hip,
hip,
him,
him,
dam,
dam,
dip,
dip,
dig,
dig,
dog,
dog,
man,
man,
map,
map,
mill,
milk,
mug,
mug,
ran,
run,
rat,
rat,
rip,
rip.
rug.
So my dear students, okay, in similar format you will have to speak these words, correct? So that will help you to speak it nicely, correct? So now I call Alpesh sir, okay, to solve this puzzle, how exactly this puzzle is, correct? We have to say these words loudly and find the words in the grid.
Yeah, hello students. So we are going to do this activity. You can say D3, say aloud. So first of all, I am going to read the instruction. Say these words aloud. Find them in the word grid. So dear student, you can see 5 words. Total 5 words are given. First, I am going to read the first word. Rig, hit, map, dip, cap. Once again, dear students. Rig, hit, map, dip, cap. Now students, we have to find these words in this word grid. So first of all, we will find RIB, rig. So let me see first letter R. You can see here first letter R. Here R and here. But after second you can see IB. So RIB, rig. Once again students, RIB, rig. The next is you can say HIT, hit. HIT, hit. So here you can see HIT, H. So you will find here HIT, hit. So this is for HIT, hit. Third one is MAP, map. So now we need to find first of all map. Can you say M is given, but here A. So second letter A is not given here. Let's find another M. So you will find M is here. Second letter is A. Here also A. And third letter P. So MAP, map. MAP, map. Fourth one DIP, dip. So first letter is D and second is I. Third is P. Let's find D. So D, yeah, here is a D, IP, dip, DIP, dip students. So dip. Next is CAP, cap. Try to find cap. So easily you will find here C, yeah, here C, CAP, cap, cap. So dear students, once again you will see here RIB, rig, okay, HIT, hit, MAP, map. Next DIP, dip, and next
called rib. जो अंदर की हड्डी होती है ना पेट यहाँ पे छाती में, so that is called rib. The next one is hit. H-I-T, hit. When you hit someone or when you hit the nail with the hammer. Map, you know the Indian map or any other country's map. Dip, when you dip a biscuit in the cup to have a milk or to have tea with biscuit. And cap, we all know what is cap. So my dear students, when the teacher will call you, okay, over the phone call or audio call or video call, the teacher is going to ask you few questions. That is, work in pairs, greet each other, then talk about yourself. The teacher might ask you also from the chapter 1. So how much you have learned about it, the teachers will come to know. So my dear students, with this, we wish you best of luck to study hard and do your work properly. Thank you.